Good morning, students. Today, students, we will discuss in chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shape, about three-dimensional shape. Have you seen the ball? It is in this sphere shape. If I talk about ice cream, it is in the form of cone. If I talk about the cylinder, it is having cylinder shape. Box, geometry box, matchbox, all these boxes are in cuboid shape. Cube, playing with dice, it is in the cube form. Clear? So all these things are three-dimensional figures, and all these things have three different things like faces, edges and vertices. Do you know what is face, what is edges and vertices? Faces are basically the side of a thing. It can be a flat and it can be a round shape. Clear? And where the two faces meet, we call it edge. And where the edges meet at a point, we call it vertex. So one by one, we will talk about three-dimensional figures. So firstly, we discuss this thing I already explained you. Now I will explain you cuboid. So cuboid, it is having face, means this flat one surface is called face, and cuboid having six faces, one this side, one this side, one this side, one this side, one back side. So if you count one side, so if you count total faces of a cuboid is 6. And if I count its corner where the edges are meeting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total vertices are 8. And if I talk about its edges means lines. So how many lines it is having? Total lines, if you count, it is having 4. 4 above, 4 down, 4 inside, both inside. So total if you count, it becomes 12. Clear? Now if I talk about cube and cuboid are both are having same faces, same edges and same vertices. Then what is the difference between this? In cuboid, you are having rectangular shape. Means when you combine 6 rectangular shape, you will get a cuboid. But in cube, you have to combine 6 square sheets. Clear? Because in cube, all the sides are equal. But in cuboid, their length, breadth and height are different. Clear? Now, we will talk about triangular prism. What is a triangular prism, students? Why we call it prism? Because in a prism, it is a three-dimensional shape only, but its base are having two triangle. This one triangle and this one, and both are same. So means its bases, if we talk about the base, means one base is down, one base is up. Both are in triangular shape and they are same. And side one portion will be of rectangle side. Means this one is a rectangle, at the back also there will be rectangle, and down also there will be rectangular sheet. Clear? So total faces become 5. 2 triangular bases and 3 rectangular sides. So total become 5. Now we will count its edges. If I count, total edges are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And corners, count its corner where the lines are meeting. There are 9 edges and 6 vertices. Clear? Now we will talk about other three-dimensional shapes, that is pyramid. This is a square pyramid. Why we call it square pyramid? Because its base is of square shape. That's why. When its base is having a triangle shape, then we can say that it's a triangular pyramid. It is having square base, so that's why we call it square pyramid. Clear? So how many faces it is having? If you see, this one base, 3 and 1 at the back side. So total faces are 5. 1, 2, 3 and 2 at the back side. So there are 5 faces. Clear? Now corners are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 corners are there, and edges, count the lines, and total lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and total lines and edges are 8. Clear? Now students, we will talk about triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid, why we call it triangular pyramid? Because its base is of triangular shape. Clear? In triangular pyramid, students, how many faces are there? It is having how many faces? One is down base, that is of 1, and one this one this one at the back side. So total faces are 4. Clear? How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Edges are 6. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So vertices or corner are the same thing. Corners are 4. Clear? Now on the behalf of this, we will do this. It is given in your book on page number 110. Clear? So this one we do. First one, cuboid, faces, edges and corners already written. So we will do second one. They are saying a cube is a cuboid whose edges are of equal length. I already told you that the sheets which we use in the cube are of square shape. So that's why all the sides are equal. So how many faces are there? 6. How many edges it is having? 12. How many vertices? 8. Clear? Now, a triangular pyramid has a triangle as its base. I told you that pyramid, if it is having base triangular, so we call it tetrahedron. Clear? So how many faces? Triangular pyramid. Pyramid we are talking. So its base is of triangle. So that's why. So one is down, one this one this one, and one back side. So there are 4 faces. How many edges are there? 6. I shown on, see, 6 edges. Then vertices are 4. Now why we call square pyramid? Because its base is of square. So 1, 2, 3 and 1 at back side. It becomes 4 and 1 down. That is having 5 faces. Edges 8 and corners are 5. Clear? Then a triangular prism look like a shape of kaleidoscope because its triangle base is there. Clear? So if I count, there are 2 triangles, so 5 and 2 rectangular shapes are there. So it becomes 1, 2 and 1 back side. So total faces are 5. How many edges are there? 9. Then how many corners are there? 6. Clear? Now, I hope you understand this thing, how we have written the faces, edges and corners of 3-dimensional figures. Now we will do exercise 5.9. Exercise 5.9, students, we will do in the book only. You have to match the following. Cone shape is just like of this one. Second one. Sphere shape is of ball. Cylinder shape is of this one. Cuboid shape is of this one. And pyramid, you all know. You have to give 2 new example of each shape. You can give cone example, ice cream cone, you give example, sphere, ball is there, anything else you can give the example. Cylinder shape, you know, pencil, you can write any example you can give by yourself. Now we do question number 2. What shape is your instrument box? If you see, it is of cuboid shape. Brick is in which shape? Cuboid shape. Matchbox is in cuboid shape again. A roller, it is in cylinder shape. And sweet laddu, they are not asking the laddu box, they are asking sweet laddu. It is in sphere shape. So I don't have the space, so I will write over here. Question number 2, A part answer is cuboid. You can write it in the book only. B part answer is again cuboid. C part answer is cuboid. D part answer is cylinder because roller is in cylinder shape. And sweet laddu is in the shape of sphere. So students, today we have discussed 3-dimensional figure, their faces, their edges, their vertices, and the shapes examples we also done. So I hope you understand what we have done in the class. So thank you and have a nice